Hello everyone, today we're back with some Carson Ball vlog. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can catch these things on camera. I will try, but okay guys, you can see Team Hunter Pool, and guys, I got them back. But today's video is gonna be about my new attack dog. Tomorrow we're gonna make a video of I got Team Hunter back. Because I did get them back today, but I want to do my new attack dog video. My attack dog video. Oh crap, guys, I'm sorry that it goes, that sometimes, crap's not a bad word, so, because it won't, I'm not sure if YouTube's going to censor that. I'm not sure if it's a bad word or not. My parents say, and then I call them that sometimes, and they don't say anything about it. I even say crap all the time, so, it's pretty okay. I'm reporting from my house, my mansion. $12, but it's okay. I'm okay with the brand. You probably killed this mansion. Yeah, my neighbor's house is Team 100. It's when they join sometimes the order. Gotcha. You thought it was the, well, I can't do it, but like, you thought it was this finger? Nope, it was this finger. Look. It looks just like it. Look, guys, it looks just like it. Tom's key was this one. It's hard for me not to stick it up, so I don't want to, because YouTube would rate the video. Now that I'm thinking about it, and what if I said the F word to my parent, and he kept copying it over and over, and then it's like, my mom said, "What did you say?" I said the beep you word. Okay. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Guys, I'm going to go Super Saiyan mode. Like, okay, I think I should stop doing that because it looks like I'm going to kill myself doing it. Gotta check my camera. Okay, yeah, guys, but, yeah, I did get Team 100 back finally. And, though, I'm looking right here at, my neighbor's house. That's the Team 100. But this is the Team 100 mansion. This is right. Not that mansion, but it was right. I know you can't see the front because I have to go to the front. But, though, okay, guys, let's look at heaven. Yep. But you could see that I have the big tree in my homie trees back there. It's something to mess with. There's gonna be one video where I'm trying to kill them. Whoever did or beat them up. Whoever did, we're gonna have to grab a gun. And now that I'm reporting on this, right now I don't want to get up after it because I'm so lazy now. But though this will be posted on YouTube, But yeah, guys, we are. I will show my attack dog when I go inside. We're gonna show little tricks, little ball tricks and stuff. Don't ask which ones I'm talking about. I was kidding. We're talking about the balls you throw. Well, I already have two right here. Okay, everyone. Okay, if you look right there at that spot, you can't see that good, but like that, looks like a bomb with two arms, and okay, one looks like a devil in a bomb, but the spot, this is my old cousins, but I guess they don't want the soft one anymore. If you don't want the soft one, I would be lucky that I got that now, but let's see, we're looking at all the trees, but okay, this one big one, this had pears. Where did I grow the pears, guys? Let's go check. I think I should run there. I'm just gonna walk this. But yeah. We're putting to my house, Their bike. Now it's kind of on both of our sides, so I can't pick pears. Now let's see if they green yet. We gotta see if they have green. Okay, let's see here. Okay, they're about green, guys. Look. Dang it. Dang it. Okay, guys, we grab one. It's Daddy. Daddy. Wait, guys, I gotta rip off the stem. Okay, this is what the pear looks like. Daddy! Found the pear, baby. You know, now that I'm thinking about, we should let it grow. Guys, I know where it should grow at. Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna keep it where the sun can be. So let's see. Make sure nothing eats it. Not even a squirrel can eat it. So there's not even a place. Well, yeah. I wonder if we can find some more this time. Well, now that I found it. There is Dustin. Daddy! I found a pear plant. Dad found a pear plant. See if Dad wants to see this. Hey, Daddy! Guess what I found on the ground? A pear plant. Okay. Mama, come here. Look what I found. Oh, I found a pear plant on the ground. Guys, I think I know where it should be. Near the homing window. Okay, let's find this piece of crap. Dang it. Guys, it's going to be in first person mode though. See, nope. Don't see him anywhere. Nope. Side of a squirrel. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh, crap. Okay, guys, I'm going to show my tap dog now. There you go. Hey, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Wait, guys, I got this one. It can't glitch while I'm doing it because I don't want to glitch. There's my dog. Mama, me and Rosie are going to play fetch for the YouTube video. Hey, Rosie, come here. Oh, don't. Don't, Rosie, don't. Oh, guys, my mom's made a fairy garden. She's going to put that outside if she wants to. Okay, guys, I got to play catch. Mama, I need you to come out. Okay, Mama, can you record me playing fetch with us? I mean, throwing it out there and she catches it.
I ain't going outside right now.
No, I'm talking about right there. Inside the house because we paid for it.
I'll do it right there.
Okay.